In today's video, I'll be showing you this robust crypto investment platform that you can use for 4 different types of things in one. Okay, so the first one is you can use this for a matrix a matrix platform. You can use it for crypto investment, you can use it for trade prediction, and you can also use it for staking. Okay, so people can stake, they can invest, they can trade, they can predict the movement of a coin, and it can also be used for a matrix platform. Okay, so now when we scroll down, this is the plan, these are the plans for the crypto investment, and this is the plan for the matrix. Okay, now when you go down, you are going to see the plans for staking. That is straight. Now for the trade prediction, it has no plans because okay, this is it. Now you are going to decide if the price of Bitcoin will go up or if it is coming down. So you can predict the price of Bitcoin going up or down. You can also practice. It has the practice option. So these are a lot of cryptocurrencies. So you can do 4 different things with this script, with this website. So it's so robust and it is very functional, and it has good user interface, and it's a lovely script that you wouldn't want to miss. So with this you can do 4 different type of things. You can do matrix, you can do crypto investment, you can do crypto staking, and you can do crypto prediction. So that is it. Now this is the trade. This is the trading option. So here you predict if the price of Bitcoin is going up or down. So you can predict it for 24 hours, you can predict it for 10 minutes, however that is being set up at the back end. Okay, so that is it for trading. Now these are the core features. We've gone over through the features. Okay, investment, staking, trading, and the matrix option. Now let's go to the admin back end. So we see the features. This is the admin back end. So here we have this is the dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, and we have the statistics and report. These are your transaction logs for every deposit, every transaction that is going on the site. So this is it. Now this is the investment statistics. This is the investment statistics, and below is the straight statistics. You can see the total amount that has been traded and the coins that are being traded. You can see. Now this is the matrix statistics. This is where you manage your users. Okay, so this is investment settings. This for investment. You can decide investment. If you want to disable the investment, you can disable the investment. If you want to disable the staking, you can disable it. If you want to disable the matrix option, you can disable it. And you want to disable the trade prediction, you can disable it. As you can see, it has 4 different features that you can use for investment, for staking, for matrix, as well as trade prediction. So these are 4 different features on one platform. So that is why I mentioned earlier that this platform is very robust. So it's a perfect fit for whatever you would want to use it for. It has a referral option, and this is below is where you set the matrix scheme. This is investment controls. This is for staking. So this is where you add your cryptocurrencies, and this is the trade prediction. So this is the cryptocurrencies, and this is the trade prediction. You can set up the parameters, the history, and the practice option. So you can add new parameters. parameters. It could be an hour, 45 hours, a month, however you want to add it. So that is it. Now these are the payment processors. It has the automated and the traditional payment. Let me open this in another tab. This is the traditional payment. You can add manual payment. Okay, it could be whatever you would want to add. And these are the automatic payment gateways. It has Coinbase, Stripe, PayPal, Blockchain, CoinGate, Flutterwave, and Paystack. So you can use any of these as you wish. So this is it has the option to generate spins for users. So this is where you set the application, and it's coming with two templates. It has two templates installed. So this is where you manage them. Okay, this is the template, the theme change settings. So it has the blue theme, which is what is being used there, and it has the default theme. The default theme is like orange in color. So this is it, this platform, and I'm sure that you would want to have something like this with 4 different features all at once: the investments, the crypto prediction, the staking, as well as the metrics. So this is it. This is the front page. You can see it's very sleek, well built, very responsive, and beautiful. Okay, so now that you've seen it, I'll be going over on how to set this up. So if you check the video description and you would want something like this, you will see a link to get this script. So if you have any questions, my WhatsApp number is also in the description. Kindly send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay. So now let's assume you've gotten this script and you have your domain and your hosting. If you don't have your domain and your hosting, you also need to check the video description. You are going to see a link to get a reliable domain and hosting perfect for this script. Okay, so if you want me to help you to get a domain and hosting, also reach me via WhatsApp. Now that we have our domain and our hosting as well as the script, the next thing for us to do is to go over to cPanel. Okay, let's go to cPanel. Now once you are here at the cPanel, if you are a newbie, this is your first time, you don't know how to install, the first thing that you need to do is to create a database. Now when you go over my videos, the first video I posted was how to create a database, so I won't be going over there. I won't be going there again. So check for the video if you don't know how to create a database and a user. Create a database, and once you are done creating your database, then you come back to this video. So for those of us that already have our databases, the next thing for us to do is to upload. This is our cPanel. You click on File Manager. It's going to take you to the File Manager. Okay. So if you are installing on the root folder, this should be where you go to this public HTML. So you click on it. But I'm installing this on the subdomain. So this is my subdomain. This is where I'll be uploading the script. So once you are there, either your root folder or subdomain, you click on upload. Once you click on upload, then you are going to locate the file where you've saved it. Okay, you locate it where you've saved it, and then you upload. You click on it and it will start uploading. So once the upload is complete, you go back to the file, you can reload, then you now extract. So let's download the file. So I've uploaded this file now. Now we are going to click, I'm going to right click and extract the file. I assume that before you are ready on this, you've already created your database. So you need to create a database before you continue with this. So once you've extracted it, all you have to do is you visit your domain. You go to your domain where you want to upload it, you open it in a browser. You go to your browser, then you reload. So once you reload, you are going to see the installation wizard, the auto installation wizard. So you make sure that all these are checked. You are running on PHP version 8.0 or higher. So if you are running on this PHP version, automatically all these should be active. Now you click on next. Now make sure that these permissions are there. If this permission, if any of these files doesn't have this permission, it's going to show you red, and all you have to do is, let's say that this is coming with 644, so it's going to show you a red mark for you to give it a permission. So all you have to do is you just copy the right permission that is giving you 066, then you go to your files, you click on source, then you click on, let's say this is Bootstrap, you want to change the permission for the cache, so you click on this and you put in the 00077, so that is it. Then you click on save. So that is how you do for all the files, to make sure they have the right permissions for you to be able to install this. So once you are done, all you have to do is you simply reload the page to see the effect, for the changes you made to take effect. Then you now click on next. So now once you click there, the next thing, automatically it will autofill the name, then the database localhost. Then here you fill in your database name. So let's go over to the C panel. Let's go to databases. This is where you will get the list of your database, the database that you have created. And this is my database. I'm going to copy it. This is database. Okay, I'll go back to the file. This database name. Now go back again. The database user. I'm using the same name for the database. I'm doing the same thing for database name and database user. So this is it also. So you go back, database username, then database password. You put in the password you used while creating that database. So I'm going to put in my password there. So I'm going to put in my password there. Then I'll click on next. So once I click on next, this will be the next page. Now this is where you put in your admin settings, your admin details. Okay, you can put in your name, then your username, the login email, and then your password. So once you are done with that, you click on next. So this is it. It has been successfully installed. So now you can click, let's open this front end. And this is the admin part. So we are going to log in. You see? Okay, so this is the back end. Now let's go over to the front end. This is the front end. You can see, this is the front end. So it comes with these investment plans. All you have to do is edit, delete the ones that you don't want, or you can edit. So this is it. They also have the option for people to check the profit calculator. So you see the plan, 45, and the profit that you make. So people can easily check how much they can make. So that is it. So that is how you set this up. Okay, so people can sign in, and they can sign up. Okay, so back to the admin dashboard. Now we've gone through this before the installation of the script. So all these options are still there: transaction logs, investment statistics, trading, and the metric statistics. Now this is where you manage your users. This is the KYC logs. This is where you manage agents, transactions, withdrawals. This is user rewards, investment settings, referral settings, metric scheme, the investment controls. So you go through this one after the other and set up, customize to your taste as you would want it. Now this is the staking investment, the cryptocurrencies, the prediction, payment processors, deposit controls, managing withdrawal. So this for managing pinned. Now to set the front page, this is where you set the front page. This is the front page. This images, the content of the front page, you can customize it. So the options to do that, they are here. This is the managing of the appearance. So you can go through this about section, the advert section. You can go through them one after the other. You can change the headings, the titles, the listing, the count, the images. So whatever, you just change these things, customize it as you would want it. Okay, so it has all the options there. So that is it. That is how you set this up. And once you are done making any changes, you make sure that you clear the cache. Okay, so that is it. So guys, if you would want this script, kindly follow the link on the video description and you will get it. Or you can also send me a message on WhatsApp. You can send me a message on WhatsApp, and if you need help installing, also message me. So but before I end this video, there is one important thing that I would want to show you, for those of you that want to customize it yourself. Okay, you know, this has three different features: the staking, the investment, and the metrics and trade prediction. So a lot of things needs to be automated. Now for these things to be automated without any human interferences, there is what is called cron job. So you need to set up your cron jobs so that the investments will be reading. Else, if you didn't set up the cron jobs, the investments won't be reading. So a user can create an investment and they won't be seeing their profit daily. So to be able to make sure that the things are set up properly, that the investments are reading, you need to set up the cron jobs. And to do that, you go to scroll down to settings, scroll down to application settings. This is it. You click on it. Then you go down to automation. You click automation. Then these are the cron job settings. So you copy this, copy it. Just click on this copy and it will be copied. You go to your cPanel. Then you scroll down, the advanced option, you see cron jobs. So you click on it. Then the common settings, you click on it, choose the first option, once per 5 minutes. Then automatically all this will be prefilled. So you now paste what you have. You now paste this cron job link that you've copied. You paste it here and click add cron jobs. I already added this, so it won't be able to add anymore. So click add cron job and you get a success message. Now this is also what you do for the second one. You copy, you go back, you choose the same thing, 5 minutes. Then you now put in the command. Then you click on add. So once you add it, it's going to show you successfully added. So make sure you add it before you start accepting users on the platform, else their investments will be reading. So that is it. Now any changes that you would want to make on the site, like the email settings, the logo, and any other thing, you go to application settings. So this is general setting. This is where you change the site name and the color, site color. So let me open this in another tab. This is the title, this is the phone number, the address, the copyright, the email, and the currency. This is the social login where you're setting your social login. This is the theme color setting. You can change the color of your template. This is where you put in your logo, the SEO setting, and the image. This is the captcha setting for security. So that is it. Now if you want to change the template, you go to theme change setting. If you want to set up let's go to this system configuration. This is where you set in investment rewards, the balance transfer. You make them active. Whichever option that you don't want to be active, you just disable it. The withdrawal request, the binary trade, the practice, the registration, the email verification, the email notification, the SMS notification is turned off. So if you are using SMS, you turn this on. If you want to get KYC from your users, you turn this on. Then the cookie activation, the language. So this is where you make all these settings. Now this is the commission and charges settings, the KYC configuration, the plugin configuration, system information, automation. This is where you manage your language. This is the system update. So you have everything that you need to manage this website. That is it. So if you have any questions, kindly reach me on WhatsApp, or you are free to drop a comment to your questions, and I will definitely give you an answer. I will definitely give you a reply.